Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are making micro twists and we already washed our client's hair. So yeah, we are going to be drying it with hand fan because we don't have light on this particular day. So after the drying, I'm going to section our hair into two parts, and then I'm going to section it. Those two parts, I'm going to divide them into two again, that's four. So I sectioned the whole hair into four parts. So after sectioning, this is the kinkin that we want to be using, that we're going to be using. We're using rosemary kinkin. So we use 1.5 pack. And so this is me removing the excess out of the kinkin. Then I'm going to be pulling it just like how I'm doing in this video. I'll just pull it so that the tip will also be equal, like the tips will just be okay. The tips, so that the tip should be okay, but so this is basically what I did. And after that, I'm going to be showing you how tiny the hair is going to be. So I'm going to be showing you the size of the kinkin that I'm going to be using for this braid. So this is the size. See how tiny it is. Yes, it's going to be very tiny. You know, when you finish making this hair, it will not even look as if you carry something on your hair. Well, there will still be hair on your head though, but it won't be as heavy as maybe when you braid with an attachment or any other extension. This hair is very light and it can carry you for a very long time. You can carry it for a very long time. Is washable and it's very, like, you can style it different styles. So relax and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm going to see you at the end. So guys, if it's the first time of coming across my channel, you are very much welcome. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you for your subscription in advance, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So guys, if you watch up until this time, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, we are still here braiding the hair. My girls came, so they assisted me because we still have another client to work for this same braid. So they came and assisted. So we're done with the hair and we're starting the other person's hair very soon. So this is the final look of the hairstyle. Hope you like this hairstyle. It's something that you can make for your Christmas normal hair, or you can just make it normal. You, it's very light. It does not have weight, and you can style it anyhow you want to style it. So this is our final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not liked this video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get more amazing videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel. If you have not like, share, and comment. So yeah, I already styled this particular style for her. So this is how it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next